Welcome to this controversial and eye-opening video where we're going to discuss the shocking incidents where 6 defendants got attacked in a courtroom. We've all seen courtroom dramas on TV, but what happens when the drama becomes real life? In these 6 cases, the courtroom transformed into a violent battlefield where the defendants were left defenseless against unexpected attacks. Get ready to be shocked as we delve into the details of these cases, exploring the motives behind the attacks, the aftermath, and the implications for our justice system. Some may argue that violence has no place in a courtroom, while others may justify the actions of the attackers. But one thing's for sure, these incidents have sparked controversy and debate across the legal community. So sit tight and prepare to be intrigued as we unveil the disturbing stories of 6 defendants who faced unexpected attacks in a place where justice is supposed to be served. This video will leave you questioning whether justice was truly served or if these attacks revealed flaws in our legal system. Let's get started. 1. Dale Williams. Dale Williams was a defendant in a murder trial in Detroit when he suddenly lunged at a witness and tried to stab him with a makeshift knife. The incident happened in 2014 when Williams was on trial for allegedly killing a man over a drug debt. Williams, who had a history of violence, managed to get his hands on a pen and a sharpened piece of metal from a locker in the courtroom. He then rushed towards the witness stand and attempted to attack the witness, but was restrained by the court officers. The incident sparked concern over the security of courtrooms and the need for more effective screening measures. It also raised questions about the mental health of defendants and the potential for outbursts during trials. Dale Williams had a history of violence and was known for his aggressive behavior. In fact, he had been involved in several altercations with prison staff prior to his trial. This suggests that Williams was a ticking time bomb and that his outbursts in the courtroom was not entirely unexpected. Williams was convicted of killing his girlfriend's parents in 1992 and was facing a possible death sentence when he attacked the prosecutor with a shank he had hidden in his shoe. 2. Michael Madison. In 2013, Michael Madison was on trial in Cleveland for the murder of 3 women. During his trial, he suddenly lunged at one of his attorneys with a sharp pencil. The attorney managed to dodge the attack, but the incident left everyone in the courtroom shaken. Madison was quickly subdued by court officers and taken out of the courtroom. The incident highlighted the danger that defendants can pose to those around them, including their own attorneys. It also highlighted the need for effective security measures to protect everyone in the courtroom. Michael Madison's attack on his attorney with a pencil was particularly shocking because it came out of nowhere. Prior to the attack, Madison had shown no signs of violent behavior, and his attorney had no reason to suspect that he posed a threat. The incident serves as a reminder that defendants can sometimes be unpredictable and dangerous, even if they appear calm and composed. Madison was on trial for the murders of 3 women when he lunged across the defense table and tried to attack the prosecutor. He had previously served time in prison for attempted rape and kidnapping. 3. Jason Howard. In 2018, Jason Howard was on trial in Kentucky for the murder of his ex-girlfriend. During the trial, he suddenly attacked his own attorney and tried to strangle her with his handcuffs. The attorney was able to fight off the attack and court officers quickly intervened, but the incident left her with bruises and abrasions. The incident raised concerns over the safety of attorneys and other court personnel who work closely with defendants. It also highlighted the need for effective measures to prevent defendants from accessing items that could be used as weapons. Jason Howard's attack on his own attorney with his handcuffs was a brazen and calculated move. It's unclear what prompted Howard to lash out at his attorney, but the fact that he was able to use his restraints as a weapon highlights the need for better security measures in courtrooms. Howard was a defendant in a robbery case when he punched his attorney in the face in the middle of the trial. He had a history of mental health issues and had been diagnosed with bipolar disorder. Number 4. Larry Nassar. Larry Nassar was a former USA gymnastic doctor who was convicted of sexually abusing hundreds of young athletes. During his sentencing hearing in 2018, Nassar was attacked by a father of one of the victims. The father, Randall Margraves, rushed towards Nassar and tried to physically attack him. Although he was quickly restrained by court officers, the incident highlighted the intense emotions and tensions that can arise during high-profile trials. The incident also raised questions about the role of victims and their families in the legal process. Many argued that the father's attack was understandable given the trauma that Nassar had inflicted on his daughter and others. However, others pointed out that resorting to violence is never the answer and that it undermines the principles of justice and due process. Larry Nassar's attack by a victim's father was a moment of raw emotion that captured the attention of the nation. While many people empathized with the father's pain and anger, others saw his actions as a dangerous and misguided attempt of vigilante justice. The incident raised important questions about the role of victims and their families in the legal process and the fine line between justice and revenge. Nassar was a former USA Gymnastics doctor who was accused of sexually abusing hundreds of young female athletes under the guise of medical treatment. He was attacked by one of his victims' fathers in the courtroom, who was restrained before he could cause serious harm. Nassar was later sentenced to up to 175 years in prison. 5. Clifford Thomas. In 2019, Clifford Thomas was on trial in Florida for the murder of his girlfriend. During the trial, he suddenly attacked his own defense attorney with a pen. The attorney suffered injuries to his head and face, and the incident caused a temporary delay in the trial. The incident raised concerns over the safety of defense attorneys and the potential risks that they face when working with violent defendants. It also highlighted the need for effective measures to prevent defendants from accessing items that could be used as weapons. Clifford Thomas's attack on his defense attorney with a pen was a shocking reminder of the risks that attorneys face when representing violent defendants. It's not uncommon for defendants to lash out at their attorneys when they feel frustrated or betrayed, but Thomas's attack was particularly brutal and unexpected. Thomas was a defendant in a robbery case when he attacked the judge with a pen. He had a history of violent behavior and had previously been convicted of assault with a deadly weapon. Number 6. Tristan Lamar. In 2020, Tristan Lamar was on trial in Louisiana for the murder of his girlfriend's father. During the trial, he suddenly attacked the prosecutor with a pen, causing injuries to her face and arms. The incident was captured on video and quickly went viral, sparking outrage and concern over the safety of everyone in the courtroom. The incident raised questions about the adequacy of court security measures and the need for more effective screening methods. It also highlighted the potential dangers of prosecuting violent defendants and the need for better protection for prosecutors and other court personnel. Tristan Lamar's attack on the prosecutor with a pen was captured on video and quickly went viral. The incident sparked outrage and concern over the safety of everyone in the courtroom and led to calls for better security measures and more effective screening methods. The incident also shed light on the difficult and often dangerous work that prosecutors do and the risks they face when seeking justice for victims of violent crime. Lamar was on trial for the murder of his girlfriend's 3-year-old son when he attacked his defense attorney, biting off part of his ear. Lamar had a history of violent behavior and had previously been convicted of assaulting a police officer. The 6 courtroom attacks are a stark reminder that violence can strike even in the most seemingly secure environments. It's important that we continue to have conversations about how to improve courtroom safety for everyone involved in the legal process. Whether it's better screening measures, enhanced security protocols, or increased resources for mental health and anger management support, we need to explore all options to prevent future incidents from occurring. We hope that you found this video informative and engaging. If you did, please consider giving it a thumbs up and sharing it with your friends and family. By doing so, you can help us reach a wider audience and raise awareness about the importance of courtroom safety. We would love to hear your thoughts on this topic. Have you ever witnessed a courtroom attack? Or do you have any suggestions for how to improve courtroom security? Let us know in the comments below. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking content like this. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you never miss a new video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.